Hey guys, so I'm headed to Turkey for about a month, and I figured I'd do a little packing video showing you everything I'm gonna bring. It's a little ambitious, because I'm gonna try to fit it all into this carry-on and a backpack, but I'm also gonna bring some extra items like a suit for a wedding I'm gonna be going to on my way back. Let's see if I can make it all fit. Okay, so I'll start off with the shoes. I don't have shoe bags for all of my shoes, but I do have these little grocery produce bags, so I'm going to try to use these, keep everything clean. Okay, so as you saw, I have a pair of dress shoes for the suit, a pair of nicer shoes also just for, but casual nice, just for stuff, things and stuff. I got a pair of running shoes in there, a pair of flip-flops because it's summer, and I actually don't have them over here, but I'll be wearing a pair of Vans on the plane, and most of the time. But yeah, so I'm gonna fill in the gaps here with this stack of underwear I have. Try to maximize the space. I'm realizing one thing I didn't show you was what I did with all my socks. All my socks are stuffed into mostly the running shoes, but a couple of the other shoes also. Those are stuffed full of socks. I'm not going sockless, don't worry. With this extra space here, I'm gonna try to fit some t-shirts in along spots. I'll leave one out. I'm taking 5 t-shirts total. I'm gonna leave one out because I'm gonna wear that on the plane. And the other 4 I'm gonna kind of wedge in here. I think it'll work out pretty well. And you know what? I'm realizing I have a nice little gap here. I'm not too worried about wrinkling any of my running shorts or my bathing suits, so I might stuff those along the bottom just to even it out. I'm about halfway there. This whole side's pretty full now, so I'll be jumping over to this side and seeing if I can get this suit in there. This is where all my pants will go mostly, but I will be leaving out a pair of blue jeans. I'll be leaving those out because I'll be wearing those on the plane also. So let me separate those. So the jeans and the t-shirt are things that I'm going to be wearing, along with one of my belts, this one, reversible. And this is for the suit. I'll pack that in this side with all this stuff. So I'm bringing one pair of sweatpants as kind of a pajamas when necessary. And then I'm also going to pack one pair of gray jeans, and yeah, that's going to be it for long pants. Next, I guess I'll put in the suit. I have folded the jacket inside of the pants, turn it all inside out. There's some way to do it like that, so that's what I did for the trip. So then I have these shorts, 3 pairs of shorts. I also have a bandana. This is mostly just for when I work out. I have a lot of hair. Okay, so now I'm just down to shirts. I have my dress shirt for the suit. Put that in here. And then I have 4 more button-up linen shirts. Okay, yeah, so it all fits great, except I forgot about these 2 things. This is the only one I really need to fit, actually. This sweatshirt I'll be keeping with me on the plane. And so this sweater I need to fit. Put that in. I need the belt too, so let me. Okay, it's in, kinda. Let's see if all this will close up. Then I'll show you what I'm throwing in my backpack. Success! They all fit. So yeah, the backpack I have here, and I know that I didn't pack any toiletries yet, but that's because they're going in here. So this is my toiletries bag. It's full of all my secrets. I'm gonna put it in here. And then the sweatshirt I talked about, I'll be putting in here also, in case I get chilly on the plane. I have a little laptop here, Windows Surface, iPhone charger, computer charger. This is a charger for USB-C, so I use it for the GoPro, and I can use it for my second cell phone, which I'll be bringing. So I have this old Android phone that I used to use a bunch. It's all cracked, the screen's all cracked. But the phone still works fine. What I'll do is I will take this phone in addition to my iPhone, because this way I don't have to miss out on any messages or phone calls with this phone, and I can just get a SIM card for wherever I'm at and put that in here. So I'll just throw this in the front pocket, along with the extra iPhone charger, passport. I might put my wireless noise canceling headphones in here because there is room, but probably not, just because they're bulky and I'd rather have the extra room for like my GoPro, and I have, little earbuds, and that's fine for me on a plane. Unless I get unlucky and have a screaming child next to me, maybe I'll bring the headphones. Alright guys, that's it for me. Once again, I'm Chris O'Leary, this is Around the World, and I'll see you in the next video in Turkey.